Today we are watching the video for IT Pitter Trade Theory Semester 1 2016 Old Question Paper Language English. Dear friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Full title in front of the question paper. This paper carry negative mark 25% mark will deducted for the each wrong answer. Total hours 3 hours, total number 200. Trade theory 150 marks, employment skill 50 marks. Let's come to the subject. Question number 1. 5S stands for dash. This question answer. 5S stand for this question answer. Option B correct answer. Start, set, sign, standardization, sustain. Option B correct answer. Question number 2. Benefit of the 5S systems are dash. Benefit of the 5S systems are dash. This question answer. Option B correct answer. Increase the productivity. Increase the productivity. Question number 3. The first aid box should be properly equipped and keep in dash. This question answer. Easy access place. Option C correct answer. Question number 4. Foam, water and dry chemical are used in which type of fire extinguishers? This question answer. Option C correct answer. Class A fire. Question number 5. What will be the effect of electric shock when the current is at very low level? This question answer. Lose his balance and fall. Option A correct answer. Question number 6. Name the part marked X in the figure. This question answer. X mark is eye hole. Option B correct answer. Eye hole. Question number 7. Name the type of chisel shown below. This question answer. Flat chisel. Option C correct answer. Question number 8. Chisel are used to cut metal in cold or hot condition. Cutting point angle of chisel is also known as angle of inclination. Option D correct answer. Question number 9. Spindle of the penge vise has which type of thread? Penge vise spindle thread is square thread. Option C correct answer. Question number 10. Name the type of divider shown in flow. Name the type of divider shown in figure. This question answer. Spring joint divider. Option B correct answer. Question number 11. Hacksaw blade is made of dash. Hacksaw blade is made of HSS, high speed steel or low alloy steel. Low alloy steel. But here not here. So option A high speed steel or low alloy steel. You select A or C answer. So high speed steel, high carbon steel meaning high speed steel. Low carbon steel is low alloy steel. So option A or C you selected this answer. Question number 12. Identify and name the part marked X in universal surface gauge. So X mark surface universal surface gauge is snug. Option C correct answer. Snug. Question number 13. How the required cutting pressure in obtained in a hacksaw cutting machine? How the required cutting pressure is obtained in a hacksaw cutting machine? Hydraulic. Option B correct answer, hydraulically. Question number 14. Name the part of the journey caliper indicated by X in the figure. The X part name is heel. Option A correct answer. Question number 15. Which is not a cutting portion of the file? Which is not a cutting portion of file is heel. Option A correct answer. Question number 16. Name the part of the file marked X in the figure. X mark names. Question number 15 and 16 same questions. Marked X in the figure is heel. Option C correct answer, heel. Question number 17. In a marking media, copper sulfate need to be handled carefully because dash. So copper sulfate is a poison. It is a poison. Option B correct answer. Question number 18. Name the file which is used for sharpening teeth of woodworking saw. This question answer Milsa file. Option B correct answer, Milsa file. Question number 19. Which one of the following tool is used to align the holes to be riveted? This question answer Tripped tool. Option B correct answer, Tripped tool. Question number 20. How will you specify the folding machine? How will they specify the folding machine is maximum length and thickness of sheet. Option A correct answer. Question number 21. What is the function of soldering iron in the soldering process? Melt the solder. Option B correct answer, melt the solder. Question number 22. The purpose of tempering a hardened steel component is for dash. The purpose of tempering a hardened steel compound is for dash. This question answer reduce its brittleness. Option B correct answer, reducing its brittleness. Question number 23. While normalizing, the component should be cooled by dash. While normalizing, the component should be cooled by dash. This question answer air room temperature. Option D correct answer. Question number 24. What is the cutting angle of general purpose drill? Drill bit cutting angle is 118 degree. Option D correct answer. Question number 25. The plunge vise is specified by dash. The plunge vise is specified by width of the jaw. Option A correct answer. But width of the joint is this. Joint remove jaw. Width of the jaw. Question number 26. Name the part marked X in the figure. This question answer. Name the part X in the figure. Hard jaw. Option D correct answer. Question number 27. Name the forging tool given in a figure. This image's name is plotter. Option D correct answer, plotter. Question number 28. What will be the effect if drill point is not in center? What will be the effect if drill point is not in the center? Broken drill. Option D correct answer. Question number 29. Vernier bevel protractor is used to measure an accuracy of dash. 5 degree accuracy. Option A correct answer. Question number 30. A vernier dial caliper accuracy 0.05 mm, beam scale reading 25 mm, and the reading shown by the hand of dial 24. Calculate the reading. This question answer: beam scale reading 25.00, 1 into 25 into equal 25.00. Next, hand dial value 0.05 multiply 24 dial hand dial multiply 1.2. So 2 value added 0.2, 26.2. So this question answer option D correct answer. Question number 31. Bending allowance is proportional to the dash. Bending allowance is proportional to the, this question answer: bending allowance is proportional to the, this question value answer thickness of material. This question answer thickness of the material. Option C correct answer. Question number 32. Shears are used to cut dash. Shears are used to cut dash. This question is a very thin sheet. Cut the very thin sheet. Question number 33. The surface plate are made of dash. This question is surface plate made of good quality cast iron. Option A correct answer. Question number 34. Name the part marked X in the figure. This question X mark is thimble. Option C correct answer. Question number 35. If zero graduation of the thimble is above the datum line when the measuring pieces are in contact, the error is dash. So this question parallel value and thimble value. So parallel value 0, thimble value 0, but here is 0 value above the datum line. Sometimes 0 value above the datum lines. This is positive error. Flow 0 is negative error. So here is this value. This value is positive. Option B correct answer. Question number 36. For general structural work, which type of rivet is used? For general structural work, which type of rivet is used? Snap cut. So hard work is fan cut. So here is general structural work is snap cut. Option B correct answer. Question number 37. Identify the machine accessories shown in figure. So this image name is sleeve. Option A correct answer. Question number 38. The property of the metal by which it can be brought back to its original shape after the applied force is released is known as dash. So this question answer example rubber. Example for rubber. So here and full shape is after remove pressure same day. So elasticity. Option C correct answer. Question number 39. Solder is an alloy of dash. This question also solder is lead and tin. Option B correct answer. Question number 40. Which of the following is a non-porous cutting tool material? Which of the following is non-porous cutting tool material is carbide? Option D correct answer. Question number 41. V block are available in the grade of dash. V block are available in the grade of grade A and grade B. Option A correct answer. Question number 42. Determine the tab drill size for the given tab M16 multiply 1.5. This question answer. Tab size less pitch. Tab size 16, pitch 1.5. So subtract value. Less the value 14.5. So the nearest value here answering 14.4. Option D correct answer. Question number 43. The pillar drilling machine is shown in figure. Name the part marked X. X mark is drill jack. Option B correct answer, drill jack. Question number 44. What is the special feature of radial drilling machine? Radial drilling machine special feature is the spindle can be brought to any position. Option A correct answer. Question number 45. Name the part marked X in the given figure. So vernier caliper X mark is movable jaw. Option B correct answer. Question number 46. Which one of the following instrument directly gives the actual dimension? Which one of the following instrument directly give the actual dimension? Here inside the caliper, outside caliper, vernier caliper. Option C correct answer. Vernier caliper is direct measuring instrument. Question number 47. Name the part marked X in the figure. So the adjustable axle frame. The X mark name is frame. Option A correct answer, frame. Question number 48. The pitch of the coarse teeth in axle blade is dash. The coarse teeth is axle blade is 1.8 mm. Option C correct answer. So fine teeth is 0.8 mm. So coarse teeth of axle blade is 1.8 mm. Question number 49. Different shape of file are used to file different contours. Name the file shown in the figure. This file name is half round file. Option A correct answer, half round file. Question number 50. For filing soft material like lead, tin, aluminum, which file is used? This question answer single cut file. This option is single cut file. Option C correct answer, single cut file. Dear friends, this question paper is used to all friends. Thanks to all.